Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to block an email address in Gmail. Yeah, it's super simple and it only takes a moment. So let's get started. First, just open your Gmail account, sign in if you're not already. Nothing fancy here. Now, open the email from the person you want to block. It has to be an actual message because Gmail uses the sender info from inside that email. Once you're inside the email, look for the little three-dot menu in the top right corner of the message. Yeah, that one, kind of easy to miss. When you click it, you'll see an option that says block followed by the person's name or email address. Go ahead and click that. A pop-up will appear. Just confirm by clicking block again. After that, any new emails from that sender will automatically land in your spam folder, which is really handy. And if you ever change your mind, you can unblock them later from Gmail settings. So yeah, you're not locked in forever, and that's pretty much it. Blocking someone in Gmail is quick, clean, and honestly kind of satisfying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.